Building your startup is exciting and complex. Let's face it, there's a lot going on. And we get it. Sitting down with a lawyer probably isn't high on your list of priorities. After all, you've probably got better things to spend money on than legal fees. So that's why we've developed Cause Edge. It's a world-class platform designed around the needs of startups, saving you time and money while providing quality documents from one of Australia's leading law firms. In fact, Cause is the only major Australian law firm to offer a platform like it. We focus on the 6 areas where startups really need legal support. There's the basics you need to launch your big idea. Help with running your day-to-day legal issues and compliance obligations. From managing contracts for employees to protecting your brand, ideas and IP. We're there when you're looking to grow with new investors and equity, making acquisitions, or even selling your business. You can access 35 intelligent legal documents with dynamic automation, so you can generate your own bespoke documents in minutes, all at the click of a button. Each document has a complexity rating and guidance from specialist Cause lawyers that's easy to follow, so your legal services are delivered the way you want them. Whether that's generating a document yourself, getting a Cause lawyer to review it, or sitting down with us to help you navigate more complex documents. Cause Edge brings savings of up to 80% compared to traditional legal services. Documents are turned around in minutes or hours, not weeks or months. And you know you'll receive better quality documents. You can store and access your documents securely from any device, anywhere, so you can focus on doing what you do best. Cause Edge, helping the next generation of Australian companies grow.